think it's important to be transparent.
One per chat at a time.
Alright guys, US 30 just hit TP1.
It's gonna be a big year, so we're just staying focused, staying locked in.
Excited to be documenting my journey with trading and everything I do, but this is the other side of my life. So for those that are interested, thought it would be cool to show.
So to talk about trading now a little bit, it's going good, guys. I've been staying consistent. I've been following my plan. I think it's important to be transparent, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, guys. So whether I'm winning money or I'm losing money, I'm here to be transparent with you guys. I have been sticking to my plan. Things have been going as planned, thankfully, by the grace of God. And at this point, it's about scaling and staying consistent. My two goals this year are to scale and to stay consistent. I know I can do it. I've been showing myself I can do it. There's certain things that I need to implement in my everyday life still, and in my schedule that I'm still working on. It takes time. They say it takes 21 days to build a habit. So imagine trying to get rid of certain habits. It's the same thing. It takes dedication and consistency. And I believe anything is possible if you truly commit yourself and you truly stay consistent and give it all you got. Do everything you can. Do your best. I believe anything is possible. Anything is achievable. If you really do your best and don't give up, you will achieve what it is that you want to achieve. I am a firm believer in that. And I've experienced it multiple times in my life. There's certain things in my life that I didn't know, or I didn't think things would have transpired the way they did, but at the same time, deep down inside, I knew. Deep down inside, I always knew I would have my own studio. I always wanted to have my own studio. And I've worked towards it for the past 12 years of my life. So to be in the position I'm in now, to have the skill set that I have now as a recording and mixing engineer, as a vocal producer, as a music producer, as a songwriter, as a vocalist, these skills that I've developed, even as a businessman, all of these skills that I've developed, even I do music videos, I'm a video editor, all these things that I do, it's crazy to go up to somebody and say, guys, and they ask, what do you do? Oh, I make music, I'm an engineer, I'm also a videographer, and I'm a day trader. It sounds like a lot, but I put in a lot of time, guys. I put in a lot of time to acquire these skill sets, one by one, thousands of hours, and I sacrificed a lot. I sacrificed a lot of my time to commit to these things instead of going out or bullshitting and watching stupid shit, and I earned it. I developed the skill sets firsthand, and I learned the business side of these things, and I was able to develop a business years ago and make money doing music for the past 9 years of my life. I haven't had a job because all I've done is make music, and it's just been amazing. And obviously, you know, I'm not rich. I wasn't making all the money in the world. Uber, I was still doing whatever side jobs I could get. Sorry, I'm getting a phone call. But whatever side jobs I could get, and I'm here. So I know it's possible, and it's the same with trading. I've put in the years, and I'm at a point in trading now where I'm about to have my biggest breakthrough yet, because I've learned everything that I need to learn. I don't want to say everything because you don't know, and there's always more for you to learn, but I believe that I have learned what I need for me to be highly successful in trading and highly profitable. And now it's just about staying consistent and scaling, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'm excited to document all of it and share the journey with you guys. I'm trading live every day in my VIP chat, so if you haven't already, sign up to the VIP. I hope to see you guys in there. A lot of bangers have been getting caught and a lot of game getting dropped daily, so definitely consider that. And I'll leave you guys with that for now. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It really helps with the growth, and I'll see you guys soon. Yes, sir.
Alright guys, so I'm in the studio right now. I'm testing out the Osmo, and I'm testing out the DJI mic for it. I know I never really showed you guys the studio, but this is what I consider the spaceship room. This is one of our main rooms. Let me come out here into the lobby. out into this huge hallway. Now we're gonna go into the A room. So this is one of our other main rooms. Recording, mixing, mastering. For those that don't know, I specialize in mixing and music production. I'm also a songwriter and an artist myself. So in here we got vocal booths. We actually have a few more rooms. In here we have another studio room. And then in the other room over there, I have a podcast room, but I'm actually converting it to a photo studio room. So I'll show you guys that when it's complete. But yeah, that's pretty much a tour of my studio. Been wanting to show it to you guys for a long time. So now you guys kind of get a behind the scenes inside look of it. So I've been doing music for like 14 years. So I'm finally at the point where I can have my own studio. And it's a blessing, man. So I'm excited to just show this to you guys. I'm excited to be documenting my journey with trading and everything I do, but this is the other side of my life. So for those that are interested, I thought it would be cool to show. Alright guys, so I'm on the road, man. I'm on the road.
What's up? We chilling it. One perch at a time.
About to run it up.
Man, steady getting to it how we used to it, man. I feel like Dior, I'm rocking Dior, you know what I'm saying? I don't got my Cartier shade so I can see more, but you know what I'm saying?
Set high goals, know your worth.
Set them goals high and know your worth, bitch.
Yo, what the fuck is wrong with you, man?
That's what it looks like to build a legacy.
Dynasty. Last 1,000 years, fuck nigga. Well spill. This shit ain't never gonna stop. It's everlasting.
Alright guys, so I'm in Fort Lauderdale. It's a beautiful view, it's a beautiful night. It's Friday evening. So I just wanted to say a couple things. Your mentality is everything. Our psychology when trading is the most important thing. Risk management, psychology, and your strategy is what's going to equate to success. So I want you guys to stay focused. I want you guys to really lock in this year and achieve the things that you set out for yourself. No procrastination, no more pushing things to the side. It's a matter of doing the things that you say that you want to do, the things that you know that you need to do so you can achieve what you want to achieve. No more trying, no more I can't do this, no more I'm going to try to do this. You're just going to either do it or you're not going to do it. All right, please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps out with growing the channel. I really appreciate everybody that's been showing love. If you haven't already, sign up to the VIP chat. Link is in the description. I'm trading live every day, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So I'm going to be sharing my journey with you guys. Everything is going to be documented. I'm excited to share the growth. I'm excited to keep giving you guys a little bit inside behind the scenes of my life. As a brand owner and studio owner and artist, and I create music videos. I do so many cool things that I think you guys would enjoy watching, and the way that I balance it with trading I think is interesting, and I would love to share the journey like I said. And I appreciate you guys for watching, getting the hang of it, making better and better content for you guys. So I'm going to keep going, I'm going to be consistent, and I'm going to keep you guys updated. So I'll see you soon. Right now, we're locked in. scale our skill set to the point of no return. So right now we're on the verge of scaling our skill set to the point of no return. You know, so there's no coming back from where we're about to be. You know, these heights of magnitude are only reached with such focus and such precision and such efficiency that it's almost unexplainable and almost unattainable. This is the beginning. 2025 is going to be something huge for all of us. I'm excited to share my journey, documenting everything. If you haven't already, joined the VIP trading group where we're trading live every day, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Link in my bio. Subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. We're going up. Alright guys, I'm in the Uber right now. I'm heading to the studio to get my car. Editing the next video right now. While I'm in the car, guys. So, got another video coming soon. I'm gonna post the next video on Tuesday. Most uploads are looking like Tuesdays and Fridays right now, so I'll keep you guys updated.